Now we'll practice conditional statements of Python in Google Colab. Open colab.research.google.com. Now we'll take an example of checking whether a number is even or not. We will take an input num equal to input, enter a number. We'll change its value to int because by default input returns string. Int a number which is divisible by 2 is considered as even number. To check a number is divisible by 2, we will calculate the remainder and check it is 0 or not. We are using mod to check its remainder. Num mod 2 equal to 0 prints it is an even number. We'll run this code. I'm giving here as 2. It prints it is an even number. We'll run this again and I will give here as 13, which didn't return anything because we didn't say if the statement is false. We'll write here else statement, else print it is not an even number. Now we'll run this code and I'll give here has 15. It gives it is not an even number. If and else are in same indentation with the same number of spaces at the beginning, here we have 0 number of spaces for both if and else. Colon tells you that new block with the different indentation should be started. If we want to write another print in the if statement, it should be in the same indentation print is. Print it is divisible by 2. Now we will run this code. I will give here 20. It gives it is an even number followed by it is divisible by 2. If we didn't write the print statement, the other print indentation lies. What happens? We'll check by giving like this and we'll run this code. It gives an error. It gives an error that it doesn't matches with any other indentation level. Now we'll correct it and we will run this code again. I'm giving here 20 and it gives it is an even number, it is divisible by 2 without giving an error. Now we'll take an example of BMI. Categories. BMI is calculated using a person's weight and height and is used to broadly as body fat. The categories are underweight below 18.5, normal weight 18.5 to 24.9, overweight 25 to 29.9, obese 30 or above. Now we'll write a code for this. We already discussed how to write the BMI in the previous lecture. So here the BMI formula, weight by height in height square. So we'll write if, else if and else statement to identify person's category. If BMI is less than 18.5, prints it is in underweight category. Category. Else if BMI is less than 25, print it is in healthy weight category. Else if BMI is less than 30, print it is in overweight category. Else print it is in obese category. Now we will run this code, and I am giving here weight 53 and height in meters as 1.79. It is in underweight category. Now we'll run this code again, and giving weight is 90 and height in meters as 1.80. It is in overweight category. We will run this again, and I'm giving weight as 75, height as 1.50, and it is in obese category. Now we'll run this again, and giving weight as 70 kgs in 76 and height as 1.79. It is in healthy weight category. See how it has printed healthy weight. The BMI is 23. If BMI is less than 18.5, it is underweight category. As we know that BMI is not less than 18.5. Else if BMI is less than 25, it is less than 25. That's why it prints it is in healthy weight category. This is how we can use if, else if and else for conditional control flow, and we have to use same indentation level to keep the code in same block.